How to use pressed garlic to reverse eyesight loss without glasses or surgery. We all know that everything goes and fades away with time, including your eyesight. Many experts around the world say that macular degeneration affects many people, and is most common in Caucasian women over the age of 50. But you should know that one of the main and most common causes of eyesight loss is due to aging, but you shouldn't be worried because there are many lifestyle choices that you can make that either reduce or increase your chance of suffering from macular degeneration. One of these lifestyle changes that you can easily make is adding certain foods to your diet. Here are some of the foods that can help prevent macular degeneration. We can easily say that garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Yes, you can use this food to treat and prevent many health problems including bad eyesight. Here's what you need to know. A recent study conducted by a group of experts at the Harvard Medical School involved thorough analysis of the diet and health condition of over 800 patients. Some of the participants were diagnosed with age-related macular degeneration, while others did not have such problems. And the results from this study showed that high-fat diet may have a huge impact on the risk of age-related macular degeneration. The experts also say that you should avoid monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These are the fats found in all processed foods like potato chips, French fries, cookies and pre-packed foods. The experts say that these fats increase the risk of developing macular degeneration by 2 times. He also said that by consuming small amounts of foods rich in linoleic acid, and having 2 or more servings of fish packed with healthy oils per week could dramatically reduce the risk of this ailment. Oily fish. Yes, because fish contains high amounts of docosahexaenoic acid. And you should know that this acid has an amazing effect on the blood vessels that reach to the retina. Docosahexaenoic acid is highly concentrated in your retina, and foods with high amounts of this healthy fat decrease the risk of macular degeneration. A recent study conducted by a group of experts at the Tufts University in Boston involved more than 4,000 people. According to their results, those who indulged in foods like white rice, pasta and bread run at a higher risk of developing diabetes and macular degeneration. They also found that about 20% of the patients could have prevented their condition by reducing their consumption of processed goods. Garlic. You should also know that garlic affects the function of your platelets. The medications which are for this purpose are also known as blood thinners. The difference is that garlic does not thin blood. The experts say that garlic acts as an anticoagulant. Anticoagulants are agents that prevent blood clotting, and this could cause excessive and spontaneous bleeding. Regular eye check is the best prevention for vision problems. Early detection is always the best prevention. In that way you will prevent any significant loss of vision. Cholesterol reduction. Garlic is really effective and beneficial for your cardiovascular health. Garlic is a powerful antioxidant, which means that it can decrease triglycerides and total cholesterol in numbers that would be 5 to 15%. Its antioxidant power prevents plaque buildups, which are held as responsible for clogged arteries. Blood pressure reduction. Did you know that garlic also works well on your blood pressure? The allicin compound found in garlic affects the function of angiotensin II. It is a tiny protein that contracts blood vessels. As you can see, garlic is an all-purpose remedy, and it can help you prevent macular degeneration. This means that you should eat more garlic to keep your eyes healthy for longer. Add it to your soups, stews and salads. And don't forget, eat it raw to enjoy its benefits. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.